Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create one word at a time video subtitles using an online tool called Veed. This style of subtitles adds a unique touch to your videos and makes them super engaging. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to Knowledge Hub, where learning never stops and you always get different knowledges.
First, head over to your browser and go to veed.io. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create a free account by clicking Start for free. Once you're in, click on the Create a New Project button and upload the video you want to add subtitles to. Once your video is uploaded, look over to the toolbar on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find the sub. For this tutorial, select the Auto Subtitles feature, which automatically generates subtitles based on your video's audio. Once the auto-generated subtitles are ready, click on the style. Then you have three options: text, effect and animation. Click on the text. Here you can adjust the font style, size and shades. Click on the effect. Here you can add shades and outlines. And the last one is animation, where we can create one-word animation so that each segment contains only one word. This step takes a bit of patience, but it ensures that your subtitles will pop up one word at a time on the screen. Click Brown Animation. Now add Auto Highlight and select yellow color or any other color you like. As the text is a bit small, so we increase size to 96 pixels. Finally, play through your video to ensure the timing and animations are perfect. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Veed will process your video, and once it's ready, you can download and share it wherever you like. So timing and animations are perfectly settled accordance with voice.
Hello! Welcome to Knowledge Hub, where I share fascinating facts and learning every day. Stay curious, stay informed, and explore the wonders of knowledge with me.